All right, welcome back to the channel for another challenge. This time I am taking on the Brunswick sales team here. They got plenty of accomplishments all on their own, from national titles to Eagle winners to, at one point the best amateur bowler in the nation. Come on now, you were definitely AJ Rice back in the day. You were AJ Rice back in the day. All right, so we're gonna do a best of 3 match. You guys take your pick right now on who you think is gonna win down below in the comments, and I will catch you guys after we warm up. Running, we're live. If I lose, it's a bad look.
What? He's got an eagle.
They call me a professional. Who's got an eagle? Which one? Which one?
Adam's got an eagle.
Damn!
Come on. Oh!
I don't know what I signed up for.
Who's supposed to win?
The Brunswick sales team is supposed to win. I would agree. They got home field advantage.
The winners win. Winners.
Get the half green, half gold. Doors open. Doors open. I cannot be stopped. I can't be stopped.
Come on, kid.
Paralyzed 5. Ready? Everybody?
No, I was
ready?
just putting my
Everybody
hand
up?
up, ready to go.
Everybody up?
I have too much confidence in you making this.
Oh, right in the face. Oh,
Back, back.
Who else? 2 arrows and 1 arrow?
Take your hand off. Actually, when I move 2 and 1, it's usually a 2 and like 1. I just throw it on the lane.
You move half. Okay.
I move half because it matters. Half board hits matter. Kevin Williams. I shouldn't have just absolutely jammed on it.
That's a bad rack.
You guys have never seen somebody make that? We might have to fast forward through the back half of this game. It's getting rough for the winners team.
Did anybody put 2 strike on it?
All right. Okay. We're still alive.
Move your feet.
This is going very bad for them. We're gonna take a little interruption here for an interview with the team captain and ask them if they have a change of strategy here.
The strategy is very simple.
What's the
Not
strategy?
get 6.
As team captain, anchor bowler. What's the strategy?
Not get 6.
Switch lanes. Is that the strategy?
Yeah, because we all know that lane 1 is way better than lane 2.
I would agree that lane 2
So
is
the score is evident that lane 1 is far superior.
Lane 1, that's what it is. It's the lane.
I hope you do move your feet 2 right, you'll get 7.
Okay, so they're telling me that lane 2 hooks less than lane 1. I know for a fact lane 2 hooks more.
How many games have you won here?
At least 3 on lane 2. Quick little break in the action. I want to give a huge shout out to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. If you guys are looking for an easy way to eat well and save money this year, HelloFresh can help you cut back on that expensive takeout that I get sometimes, some of that delivery food, and get started with HelloFresh. You'll love how fast, easy, and affordable it is to whip up a restaurant quality meal like I did right in your own kitchen. With HelloFresh, eating well in the new year can be stress-free and delicious. With over 35 different weekly recipes, you can choose some of the ones like I chose. I got this salad right here that's Cajun ranch chicken salad. It was absolutely delicious, and it took me less than 10 minutes to make. So you can choose all sorts of different options, from calorie smart to carb smart to the one I chose that's a little healthier. So eating well this year is a goal of mine, and it's a goal that I've made to eat a little bit healthier and a little better. And with that, I can choose a lot of easier recipes with HelloFresh. And on top of that, they come to your house pretty quick. So I chose some of the healthier recipes, and it only took 6 days to show up to my door from the farm. So I know these ingredients are super fresh, and it only took 6 days to get to my house. And everything that I needed came right in the bag, from spices to chicken. Everything that I needed came right in the bag. So click that link in the description, or just go to HelloFresh.com and use promo code TheHouseBowling21 for 21 free meals plus free shipping when you use that code. So that's where I'm going. That's where you guys should go, because I am eating healthier this year and saving some money with HelloFresh. And now let's get back to bowling. So I'm standing on imaginary 19 here, and when I go over there, I'll stand on 21.
Great move, Mike. Great.
I felt
Good for the first one of the match.
I felt a lot of intimidation there. All right, I was standing on 19. Check this. 21.
Weird lefties on the big dot.
21. I'm nervous. It's not gonna hook though. I'm nervous. Ah, that ball don't miss. I'm staying right there.
You should stay right there.
Please do. It's these illegal grips I got. Hey Mike, this one's for you. Moving another 2. I moved 2. I need a big messenger for that. The king of lane 1. Ew. King, it's that lane 1 confidence. You guys do have the upper hand. Let us know down below in the comments what you think. If you go strike, no, it's just each game individually. No, like right now, this game, because I go double 9, I only have 279 left.
No, he's shooting this one.
The agreement was I didn't have to shoot single pin spares because I don't have a spare ball, but apparently I got to shoot this. I don't know. They're yelling. I flattened it out. I just straight up missed. So I'm definitely down. I'm definitely down now. The argument is over. I'm down. He thinks I should move another 2 on, so we're doing it. Snap the 7, because if I don't snap it, it's an open. Technically, I'm back in the lead.
You're technically back in the game.
The machine did not touch that. The machine did not. I need a slow-mo replay. I'm the luckiest man alive. so lucky. Or maybe it's the ball. Who knows? Ball is never bowler. I'm a firm believer in that. If it strikes, if it misses, it's the ball.
You got more luck than the Green Bay Packers right now.
And I'm gonna roll another 3-pin here. And I'm gonna move 15 left and messenger the 7 on the next one. Oh. I told you, I'm the luckiest man alive. This is a messenger 7. I thought I could move left, like throw it up against the bumper. I felt like moving left would give me the best chance to messenger 7. I don't feel like that was the move anymore. There's definitely a hang spot. Somewhere down there, there's a hang spot.
Now he's using it. Lane 1.
I'm gonna stay left. I just feel like that's the move.
Oh no.
140, 150. It'd be really close to that.
It doesn't say Packy on the back of my shirt, otherwise it would have struck.
Clutch spare. Oh. I'll let you pick any move.
Any move left has been poor, and any move right, you've tripped the entire planet.
I'm currently
So I would move left. Oh, just one.
I would have said 7, but you're too nice.
No.
Lane 2 hooks way less. It hooks way less. What do I need? 7-0. To be honest, I thought it would stay on the lane. I cannot stop getting lucky. It's not you, it's the ball, right? Trying to get 5. Click that subscribe button down below and fill out that form in the description to be eligible to win one of these DV8 Captivates.